any of these vehicles, you can add some armour or extra protection if it's going in a threatening environment.
Yeah, absolutely. It can have the additional bar armour put onto it. There is a sort of story. This is a vehicle accidentally driving through a fire positively on the Andy.
So, a rather good-looking vehicle coming on now. What's this one?
Absolutely. So this is our CRARRV, the Challenger Armoured Repair and Recovery Vehicle. I describe the SVR as the small Swiss Army knife. This is the big Swiss Army knife. This is what we need. Engine out of Challengers, lift the back decks. It is not designed to recover vehicles, it's designed to lift engines out to allow repair. Looking at the rear there, you can see the large bars. We attach an A-frame. Those are made particularly important. It can be used for digging shell scrapes for fire positions, for crushing cars, which we love doing. Famous case of a Staff Sergeant Linders in 2006 in Iraq. That can't take, this is what we're getting. And you'll see the additional ERA armour on this one. This is designed to pull out the Challenger 2 in full regalia. Nickname of Resurrection, this one. Multiple features available. What you'll see at the front there, primarily if it makes the best show, is the dozer blade. Okay, that dozer blade is capable of crushing things. It's very good for building shell scrapes to get in, but more importantly, if you were to lift it a little more up at that degree, it's actually very comfortable for sleeping on. Similar to the SVR, it's got an Atlas crane on the rear of that. That crane, however, is not as powerful as the SVR. That crane is there solely to lift the back decks or the pack out of the Challenger. About 6.5 tons is what that can do. Upgrading HM54 parts fitted to the engine. It looks aggressive, it is aggressive, it's there to pull tanks out of the shop. That's what